Bam! What's up, guys? I just brought you to my garage to, just check it out. And yeah, I just want to show you what, the thing that I could do today. And I'll just, show what it is. And then you can see by the way that it is. And I finally decided that I just want to focus on woodworking. And, I just wanted to see how things are going. We'll take you, and of course that board is there. Yeah, you know that board. Anyways, yeah, I'll show you. We're gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna pull the stuff out of my truck, and it's gonna be dope. You're gonna really, really freaking love this. So yeah, just come in and check it out, and yeah, we'll wave together, and yeah, this is gonna be great. Time lapse time. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. There's a little ASMR of me eating a carrot. Shoot, yeah. I'm gonna do some white border trim around it, and then so it's flush, and then I'll do a trim over the top to kind of like square it in. That way you don't see any of the edges. Same thing, I'll trim just like right here and here, and then I'll put trim all the way around. I am happy. Time lapse of me cleaning, duh. Getting an early start on the day. I have quite the mess to clean up. I haven't done anything since doing the desks the other day. And of course, time lapse. Just kidding. We actually bought some trim that we're gonna put on the office floors upstairs. So we're gonna do that project real quick, and then we'll get back to cleaning. Yes. So basically we botched this trim, which is okay. I'll just go get some more, but dang, chuck that out. Sick. What do you think of it, babe?
I love it.
She's just touching up the bed over there.
Lilo.
Lilo.
No.
Lilo.
No.
Lilo, come here.
No.
You a good girl. You like her bed? What do you think of the floor? Don't care. You want the bed? Mom, can I get bed, please?
No, miss, not now. Come back later.
So, like I said, I botched a couple of the trim pieces. I measured it, and then I cut the length, the angle, but then I also had to cut off a back strip, which shortened it because the angles now came in a little bit. And so, messed that up. That's okay. I'm gonna clean up the garage, and yeah, woohoo, time lapse for you guys. I know you love them. Time lapse, boo boo. As you can see, let's see here. Thanks for coming to this video to check it out. Today we're going to be using the Elegoo Saturn to 3D print some Zelda stuff for a friend, actually. We found some stuff off the internet that I think will be really great, and I think that he'll appreciate. Gotta clean it up properly. I had the time to do that. is soft, if that makes sense. Or I'm just really hard on stuff. But PTFE lubricant, and that's helped quite a bit. So, you know, I've forgotten a few times to put these bolts back in. Don't do it, kids. It is a scary thing. And then you're hurrying, scrambling, and pushing it down and putting on the bolts. Yeah, no fun. Here, let's get you in close for this guy. Oh, not bad. Should have shook it. That's alright. It'll be fine. It'll be alright. I think it's gonna be just enough. More than enough. Turn this on. Alright, we're gonna hit start. Set a timer for 30 minutes. The reason that I've started doing that is because I've had a couple of prints fail after hours of being printed, and that sucks. 4 hours and 29 minutes, and it's currently 7:30. I'll be in bed, but at least for a half hour I can come back, check it out, make sure it's not sucking. Then we'll see in the morning. Finger guns, baby. Finger guns, baby. 45, oh no, 55 minutes more like. Let's grab our little tripod stand and get down there. But I want to test how this audio is. Testing from over here. Ooh, ooh. That's my testing. Oh geez, that's quite a bit. I'd say we're doing pretty freaking good. Oh, you can kind of see it dripping. And just like that, we can, yeah, just get back to 3D printing on the regs. Well, looks like those prints failed. My bad. We're gonna check it out. Oh, snap. It is. I guess I'm gonna be reviewing these ALSA tools just for sockets. I'm gonna be organizing those and dang, check that out.